Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the product rule in calculus. Okay, so first I'm going to do the theory on it. Okay, so y equals f of x times g of x. Okay, so basically, to take the derivative of this, you go y prime equals f prime x times g of x plus f of x times g of x. The order really doesn't matter if you're doing simple calculus, but it's good to keep it in this order with the f's first and the g's second. Notice that you take the derivative of it first and then you times it by the second function, and then you add this with the derivative of the second function. It'll make more sense when I do an example, but this is basically the product rule, which simplifies more complex equations without having to FOIL it out and factor out factors. So I'll do an example for you guys now. So here I'll make one up. Okay, x squared plus, say, 1 times x, I don't know, 3 plus 4. We'll go with this one. So equals y. So first, this is f of x, and this is g of x. So y prime equals the derivative of this with respect to x, which is 2x times this. And then you add the original function, f of x, which is x squared plus 1, times it by the derivative of g of x, which is 3x squared. And there's your product rule. And simplifying it, you get y prime equals 2x to the fourth plus 8x plus 3x4 plus 3x squared. Then you add this, and this equals 5x4 plus 8x plus 3x squared. And here's your answer. If you were to do it just by simpler calculus, what would happen is you would get this. Y equals, okay, we'll go x5 plus x5 4x squared plus x cubed plus 4, and y prime, that equals 5x to the 4 plus 8x plus 3x squared plus 0. And 0's gone, so there. Same answer. This is using the product rule, and this is using if you factor it out and FOIL it. So basically the product rule just makes it a little easier, but like a question like this, it wasn't that hard. You could just FOIL it out. But once you get more complex equations and stuff like that, it's easier through the product rule, because you can modify this product rule to be like d of x. You can keep going on, and it follows the same sort of pattern. But that's for more advanced calculus, and I might get to that later if you guys watch these videos. Thanks. Bye.